Hi, I'm Dave Niederlin at Sound Control Technologies, and welcome back to ISE 2022 in Barcelona. We're showing at this station our previously featured RC4E4P extended over a single Cat5 cable up to 100 meters and working in conjunction with the RCU2S E70 extending Poly's E70 USB camera up to 100 meters on a single Cat cable, connecting back up to the Poly Group 7500 codec. The uniqueness of this display is both the Eagle Eye 4 and the E70 camera both being utilized into the Poly codec. There's a lot more information on the mounting solutions and electronics at www.soundcontrol.net.